Hello, Eagles, and welcome to the 10th and final Fireside Chat with Nurse Boyer-Chu. I hope these chats have made sheltering in place just a bit more bearable and energizing. Let me first congratulate our seniors. Woohoo! You have made it. And for those of you who are not seniors, you're just hours away from moving up to the next grade. Hang in there. Don't give up. Remember, starting is easy. Finishing is epic. So, I'm finishing the Fireside series with a look to August. What do we need in our back-to-school book bag? I was inspired by my favorite medical writer, Dr. Atul Gawande. He describes the 5 pillars of protection from coronavirus. You know what they are. Hand hygiene, face covering, screening, physical distancing, and culture of caring. So, based on that, here's my back-to-school kit. Hand sanitizer for when there's no sink nearby. A bunch of masks. And in case you want to add a shield for your eyes, here's one made with a headband, sheet protector, and 3 staples. For physical distancing, a 6-foot folding ruler. And it also works for scratching your back. And here's something that Dr. Kawandi didn't mention, but will help you communicate with your teachers. When you wear a face mask, your teachers can't read your expressions like when you're confused, sad, or happy. But you shouldn't be removing your masks, right? So, you can unleash the power of emojis. You can make your very own emoji fan and simply point to how you're feeling. I'd better patent this idea. On to the last pillar, the culture of caring. That fits perfectly with our school motto, we care. When we follow health rules, this shows that I care about you and you care about me. When you see someone's face mask is crooked, or if someone's getting too close, speak with kindness. And if someone asks you to pull up your mask or to step back a little, don't get mad. Say thanks. These are the ways to show that we really care. And on that note, I'm going to end with a gift for the parts of our body that slave all day long and often hold on to our stress, but rarely get the attention they deserve. Our hands. So let's take a moment to show them some love. Let's begin by shaking the tension out. Then stretches by making fists and opening, like so. Let's release our wrists by gently pressing them together like this. And finally, let's twist this way and end in a prayer pose. And with this pose, let me extend my hopes to you and your families for an active, healthy, and relaxing summer. See you in August. Go Eagles!